In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to attach elastic to fabric. Every single Wednesday, I upload a video on how to use your sewing machine or simple sewing tips and tricks. When you're attaching elastic to a piece of cloth, it's basically making a non-elastic fabric stretchy. So you're creating like a sleeve or a skirt or a dress, and when you buy the pattern is going to tell you how long to cut the elastic to relation of the piece of fabric. Obviously this is just a demo just to show you guys, but as you can see, this is going to end up stretching to the end of here, and we're going to end up stitching this together. My Baby Lock Soprano, I have a variety of stretch stitches I can use. I am going to be using this one here, the tape attaching stitch. If you don't have any of these stitches on your machine, you can use a basic zigzag stitch. I am going to select stitch number 48. The reason I love my Baby Lock Soprano is it tells me which foot to use. So I'm going to use foot J. It takes all of the guesswork out for me. I'm going to use my black thread on my white elastic just to show you how this looks. You will be using white thread on your white elastic. So just so you guys know, I ran a test patch first before I did the actual one to show you on camera. So I know the width that this is going to sew at, and it's just the right width on the manual mode of what I want for this elastic. So I'm going to place my foot down, and I'm going to put my needle in the down position. So every time it's going to stop in that down position. Now I'm going to stretch this elastic out just a little bit, and I'm going to take a few stitches. So I've done a few stitches here. You may have had to have held the back a little bit and just help the feed dogs feed it through, and just continue on. And as you go, you're just going to keep pulling this elastic as you sew. And as I said, your pattern is going to determine how much elastic is required for your garment. It's really quite simple once you get the hang of it. Just pull that elastic. And then when you come to the end, you can do a reinforcement stitch. And then just cut off. And there you go, you have attached your elastic to your fabric, which then creates gathers in it in order to get in and out of a sleeve or a skirt. So you would then close these end seams up, and I'll just do that for you. So I'm just going to close up this seam. Like so. And now I've created like a makeshift sleeve. Just put my hand in there to show you guys. So that elastic just helps get your arm or hand through that sleeve much easier, or if it was a skirt. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on how to insert elastic into fabric. Leave a comment down below if I've helped you, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss seeing me next week. Bye!